No man is greater than his prayer life. The secret of praying is praying in secret. A sinning man will stop praying, and a praying man will stop sinning. A man with an experience of God is never at the mercy of a man with an argument. Prayer is not a preparation for the battle, it is the battle. A man who is intimate with God will never be intimidated by men. If you want to be popular, preach happiness. If you want to be unpopular, preach holiness. The only reason we don't have revival is because we are willing to live without it. Maybe you are the key to revival in your church.